Welcome to FactBranch. In this quick overview, I'll show you how to show customer data in Gmail as a Gmail add-on. In FactBranch, everything is built around data pipelines. This particular data pipeline gets triggered when you open the Gmail add-on in Gmail, whenever you open an email. Then you can look up customer data, and the last node here is a UI builder, where we create our UI and where we choose which data to display to the user. So let's go ahead and create a data lookup node. We will choose Google Sheets just for the demo, but you can select many different data sources, SQL databases, APIs, and so on. I've already connected to my Google Sheets account, so it automatically gets selected here. And now I have this little demo table. I'm just going to paste the URL, select the main sheet, and I'm going to add a condition, and I want to match the email address of the email sender. And if I test that, we don't get any results yet because we don't have test@example.com in our table, but I would have bob@example.com. If I run again, I get the row for Bob. Let's have a look at the data pipeline. It now gets triggered, looks up data in the Google Sheets spreadsheet, and then as a final step, it creates the UI. And that's what we're going to do now. As you can see, we get the data we have looked up in the previous node. And then we're just going to create a very simple UI just to display all the data. And it has auto-detected that this one is a link, and it displays it as a clickable link. Now let's install the FactBranch Gmail app in Gmail. If we now go back to the data pipeline, go into config for the trigger, we find a link to the Google Workspace Marketplace. This takes us to the FactBranch Marketplace page. Hit install. And now it's installed in my Gmail. Before going back to Gmail, there is the API key that tells the Gmail app which data pipeline to trigger. And I'm gonna copy that. And if I go to Gmail and refresh the page, and let's open an email, and you can see FactBranch, the Gmail add-on is loaded here. It will ask me for the API key for the first time. I'm gonna paste it here. It's safe. And now the FactBranch Gmail add-on is configured, and it looked up information in my spreadsheet and displays all the information here, and even has a clickable link. That's how you set up a Gmail add-on in FactBranch. If you ever need help somewhere in FactBranch, we have the help drop-down, which takes you to the relevant documentation or has a link to contact support. Or you can find many other videos like this throughout the app that explain how things work. So see you in the next video, and I hope you enjoy using FactBranch.